have a queen from Wildflower Meadows in it. I requeened a few, made some nukes the other day, a week ago, and we're going to check and make sure today that we have a laying queen. And a few puffs of smoke, and that should be enough. It's a little windy today, so we'll see how it's going. Put this brick down here so I can keep my knee dry. These were 2-frame splits that I made, and I put some drawn comb in with them, so these don't have anything on them. Looks like the brood's hatching out that was in there. There's our queen right there from Wildflower Meadows with the yellow dot. That's a VSH Italian. It's good to see that the bees accepted her. Got eggs, so should be a good little nuke here in a few weeks. Bees have fresh nectar in there. Check this frame one more time to make sure there's eggs in it. Looks like she's just starting to lay, so put her frames back together and we'll check back on them later.